Hi, I'm Dan Clark. I'm from Lakeland, Florida, and I've been coming to Marc Adams School of Woodworking since 2004. And this is the highlight of my year, to be able to come here. And I look forward to getting that class list and finding out what class I'd like to take. And I always find it to be a challenging experience, and I learn things. And what's really critical is finding the inspiration to do projects and learn more, and there is no shortage of that here at Marc Adams. So far, my favorite class has been in veneering and creativity, and learning the procedures to be able to cut the pieces and actually put them together and make something that turns beautiful. One of the things that I really appreciate here is the technical aspects and learning to be precise and to do things well. And by being able to take those classes and come here to find those things is what enables me to go home and be able to produce projects. If you're interested in woodworking, check out marcadams.com.